Bringing you fresh news updates from NaijaNews TV. A member of the House of Representatives, Yusuf Gargi, has dismissed claims over the legality of the tenure of the Inspector General of Police, IGP Kayode Adeolu-Egbetokun. The Panchin Kanam Kanke Federal Constituency of Plateau State lawmakers says claims of the illegality of the tenure of IGP Kayode Egbetokun are untrue. Gargi was featured in an interview on Channels Television's Politics Today on Thursday, said the IGP's term in office is backed by the law.
Discovered there is a gap, and discovered there is an act, and discovered the process of implementing that act have been put together, and discovered there is community policing, that before 2020 it wasn't a recognition of any legal framework, but the 2020 Police Act recognizes the implementation of community policing. All those things is a process now they have started. So why should someone not question Sowore? Is that how to pronounce it?
Sowore.
Sowore, whatever. Because I've never taken interest to pronounce his name. Now, would you not have called him, or people should have questioned his reason for criticizing a law that have put in place, signed by executive?
However, the Nigerian police force has strongly refuted the recent claims made by Sowore, who suggested that the tenure of IGP Egbetokun is illegal. In a statement released on January 30th, 2025, the police clarified that such claims were entirely baseless and misleading, asserting that they were aimed at undermining the legitimacy of IGP Egbetokun's appointment. The force public relations officer ACP Olumuyiwa Adejobi underscored that Egbetokun's appointment is fully legal and conforms to the provisions of the amended Police Act of 2020. It's worth noting that NaijaNews reported that Sowore was arrested and detained on Monday at the Intelligence Response Team detention facility in Abuja for the illegality in office claim, which is stated in December 2024. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.